On the 11th of June, the August Upper House of Parliament enters a phase of elections to fill up a handful of seats. But now what you're about to see is perhaps the most damaging sting operation of the last 10 years. Take a look at this investigation where we conclusively show you how the hallowed House of Parliament is up for sale. In case you missed this high-impact sting operation, perhaps 2016's most significant, here's your chance.
Would India be offended if we revealed how the temple of our democracy had been reduced to a flea market of corrupt wheeling and dealing, where seats in the hallowed house can be bought and sold? India Today uncovers the sacrilege. We've caught on camera MLAs flaunting their price tags for voting in the Rajya Sabha polls from Karnataka. 4 Rajya Sabha seats are up for election in the southern state on the 11th of June. The Congress has fielded 3 candidates, former ministers Oscar Fernandes, Jairam Ramesh and former IPS officer K.C. Ramamurthy. Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is the BJP's face and real estate baron B.M. Farooq is the Janata Dal Secular's nominee. Now the basic arithmetic. An allowed quota of 45 votes is required for each candidate to win. With its 124 members in the 224-seat assembly, the ruling Congress is tipped to get Fernandes and Ramesh elected. There's no threat to Sitharaman either because of the BJP's 46 MLAs rallying around. But the fight is tough between Congress's Ramamurthy and Farooq put up by the 40-member JDS. India Today's reporters have uncovered the ugly round of political defections and horse trading for that one single seat.
सर आपसे डिस्कस किया होगा लगभग
Posing as lobbyists for a candidate, you're now looking at undercover journalists striking a deal with this powerful MLA from JDS of former Prime Minister H.D. Devgowda. Mallikarjun Khuba, a JDS legislator from Karnataka's Basvi Kalyan constituency. The crew met him at his Delhi home with a cash offer in exchange for his Rajya Sabha vote. Khuba means business.
नहीं मेरा पूछने का है ये वोट चाहिए मेरा तो बात करते 10 वोट चाहिए 10 वोट का बात करते 2 वोट चाहिए 2 वोट का बात करते
सर तो 10 वोट हमें चाहिए सर आप क्या सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं कैसे आप वो करवा सकते हैं कैसे मैनेज हो सकता है वो आप बताइए
क्या देना चाहते हैं
सर व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेशन
नहीं करोड़ 2 करोड़ रुपए में वोट कोई नहीं डालता ये ध्यान में रखा के चलो 2 करोड़ में कोई वोट देता नहीं
The young legislator coolly quotes his staggering price to cast his vote for a member of parliament.
तो लेट्स से एक काम करते हैं सर व्हाट अबाउट यू अभी हम आपकी बात कर लेते हैं
चलो मेरा बात करो मेरा जो चुनाव का खर्च है आप दे दो
कितना है
नो प्रॉब्लम मैं तो बोला ना अबव 5 बोल के पहले
So you thought merit gets you into our hallowed upper house of parliament? Listen carefully to MLA Mallikarjun Khuba once again.
मेरा जो चुनाव का खर्च है आप दे दो
कितना है
नो प्रॉब्लम मैं तो बोला ना अबव 5 बोल के पहले ही बोला मेरे को ज्यादा दो उनको कम दो ऐसा हम लोग हमारा जब टीम आता है तो टीम में एक ही रेट रहता है टीम में 1 रेट रहता है 2 रेट
ठीक है
Khuba also offers 10 MLAs from his party, the JDS, who he said would cross-vote in favor of the Congress candidate. The upper house of the National Parliament has some of India's top industrialists, sportspersons and Bollywood celebrities as its members. At least 70 Rajya Sabha lawmakers have a net worth of more than 100 crore rupees. Political veterans know the upper house elections are a no-nonsense game. That's the flavor of this conversation between MLA B.R. Patil and his supporters in room number 409 of Bangalore's Lalit Ashok Hotel.
सोचा मैच देखते हैं तो हम यहाँ पर आएंगे।
हम पॉलिटिकल मैच भी देख लें।
पॉलिटिकल मैच भी देख लें।
फ्री ऑफ चार्ज।
पॉलिटिकल मैच क्या था?
ये जो राज्यसभा इलेक्शन का मैच, उसमें ध्यान नहीं आता।
Patil and his friends are unaware they're being secretly filmed. Their discussion turns shockingly candid.
डिसाइड करने वाला यहाँ भी नहीं, वहाँ, यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से यहाँ, ये एक नेता एक बोलता, दूसरा नेता कुछ और बोलता।
His supporters are expecting him to be celebrating soon. After all, he's also an MLA in demand.
तो बिहार से पार्टी मिलने वाली है बोलते कुछ कह रहे हैं।
वो किस लिए पार्टी है?
हमें कुछ दोस्तों के हिस्से में भी आना चाहिए।
क्या?
पूरा हजम नहीं होता ना, कुछ उसका परसेंटेज निकालना है।
Down in the lobby of the same hotel, the SIT catches hold of four-time JDS MLA GT Devagowda with his son-in-law Ram. On offer is hard cash for his Rajya Sabha vote. Devagowda would not open up himself.
Tomorrow, totally, you will see and discuss with you. Okay. On the picture, I will see. After, I will see.
But as we walked out, his son-in-law threw a price for a vote.
So whatever amount,
What is that from your side? What was the fixed that rent for vote?
no fixed amount. We want vote at any cost. That's all. As simple as that.
What is up to how much will go? Will go 10 crore?
Don't worry. You will get.
Don't worry.
If there are the father-in-law vote in favor of the candidate, then we'll give you 10 also. 10.
The deal is nearly clinched through the son-in-law. And here's another MLA, Varthur Prakash, frankly admitting he and other independent legislators have pledged their vote to the ruling Congress candidate.
So money is coming. That is not an issue for independents. But they are loyal to the CM.
It's a flood of cash that's determining who gets a coveted Rajya Sabha seat. So if you were wondering why House of Elders has become a hunting ground for deep pockets, you no longer have to. With Jamshed Khan and Sushant Pathak, Bureau Report, India Today.